Welcome to the new IKEA Joliet Distribution Center. At 1.25 million square feet, we are the third largest distribution center in North America. We have 50% more storage capacity than any other current DC. One of the big differences we have from other automated warehouses is our STP pallet loop. So on the loop we have currently 14 STVs that do the east-west travel along the length of the building. In most locations, the automation goes in the north-south direction, and then forklifts move the pallets to their final destination. Here, the east-west travel is handled by these carts that drive along the length of the warehouse. These carts are all independent. They can be removed and be for maintenance if needed, and additionally they can be added if we need to gain more throughput. So here you can see the pallets coming to the backside of the interface station, ready to come back and be retrieved by the STP Loop. The interface station can hold 2 pallets in position as well as the pallet that's going to be inducted. So here you can see the gantry bringing the next pallet board and preparing it for the load storage. The system will automatically bring the board to the front position. It will then center the board. Section of the warehouse is what we call the DPlane. This is our high density storage. We use a min-max calculation based on sales, and the overstock that's not immediately needed can be stored in the DPlane. This DPlane has much higher density than any other part of the warehouse. The lanes themselves can hold 8 Euro pallets, 16 half pallets, or 4 IKEA pallets within the same location. This high density allows us to have such a high storage capacity even in a smaller footprint. Each of our 5 DPlane cranes have detachable carts that will ride along the actual racks themselves to place the pallet in the DPlane locations, and also to go retrieve those pallets and bring them back to the crane. The concept with this system is that we can store the overstock in here, and when it's needed, the system will automatically retrieve the stock during off work hours, so when it's needed in the silo, it's already available. We have an outbound lane on one of our interfaces, so when we release the truck and we are ready to ship pallets to our stores, the ASRS system will retrieve the pallets, put them onto the STP Loop, and no matter where the pallet is stored within the automation, if the truck is being loaded directly across from this interface station, the system will bring the pallet here to this interface station, meaning the coworker will only have to move the pallet from here directly to the door across from them to load the pallet. Additionally, the system will bring the pallets in a load sequence that we've predefined to give the loader proper walls to build as well as evenly distribute the weight to allow for true fluid loading. So here in the case picking area, or block as we call it for SD, in order to put the pallet boards onto the system, we have a vacuum lift assist that allows the coworkers to easily move the pallet boards from the storage area onto the picking station. Once the pick is complete and the coworker has satisfied the order for the store, this pallet will go through the automated system and back in for storage for the next store that orders the same product.